Welcome to another episode of Vitv. So today we're going to be working on a stone fireplace and a reclaimed barn beam fireplace mantle. And we're going to be installing it here today in Moffat, Ontario. Let's get this started. So here we have the fireplace. As you can see, this used to be a fireplace before that was like solid wood. It was outdated. So what we decided to do is update the fireplace. We framed it all to code and we attached the cement board onto the wood framing. Now, why do I like to use cement board? Is because with a thin set that you apply onto the stone, there's moisture in that thin set, and we do not use glue to attach stone to a wall. So with thin set, because there's water in thin set, you don't want to use drywall. So you need some sort of solid base like a cement board. This cement board was also PL Premium, which is a construction adhesive, onto all the stud work. Cement board went up onto the wall and it was screwed in. We did this last week, so this PL Premium is nice and stiff right now, and we're good to go. First, we also installed the fireplace mantle, which I got it here on the floor, and you're gonna see it shortly. We always do that first because this way here, you don't see the brackets that are holding the fireplace mantle in place because the stone goes right over that. So let's get this started.
So to attach the beam to the actual framework, we usually use a PL Premium. It's a constructive adhesive. We apply it on the back end of the beam. Then we put 8-inch flat brackets, which you can pick up in any big box store. So here we are loading water into our table saw, and this is a wet saw, so it doesn't create any dust, which is awesome. This saw is actually very good. It cuts up to 4-inch stone, so which is awesome. With the diamond blade, you cut natural stone, concrete, pavers, anything. So when we apply thin set, we have to apply to each individual stone. Instead of actually applying the thin set to the cement board, then applying the stone, we go individually stone because each stone takes about 10 to 15 minutes to apply because every single natural stone is different. So you got to find the proper one that fits. And we use a 3-inch trowel, which makes our lives easier. You can use anything you want. There's really no golden rule what type of trowel you're supposed to be using. But here we are, adding piece by piece.
And it's day 3 on this stone fireplace. 3 days to install this stone. It is an amazing stone. It takes a lot of time, okay? It's not a game of Tetris, it's actually worse. So, but anyways, we should be done today. We should be posting up this video on YouTube with some pictures and all that. And we'll show you how it looks. So let's get cracking. Let's head over to the client's house now and get it job done. So talk to you guys soon. And we're done. That's all I have to say. I'm just kidding. Guys, listen, so the fireplace is complete. We are so happy. We're here in Moffat again. And so it was what a great selection. I got the client actually. He's going to jump in shortly, but let's just go back here. So I just want to give you a quick rundown again. Natural stone, reclaimed barn beam fireplace mantle. And then obviously I'll show you, go right through the top on some video rolls that we'll do. But you know what we're going to do is we're going to bring in my client Kevin in, and he's very well spoken. So let's see what he says. Hey Kevin, come on in, my friend. Hey, so Kevin, you know something? Are you happy with the way this all came out, like the look and all that?
We couldn't be happier. Absolutely everything went perfect. The job went exactly as planned, and yeah, it was the best renovation we've done so far.
Oh, see that? And he's done a lot of work in this house so far. So with this fireplace, originally we were talking about doing something out of wood, right? So obviously it's a big change from wood to stone. I guess, are you happy with the stone look at the end of the day, or?
So Steve, he wasn't sold on our original idea, and went and thought about it, and then he came back, and we did the same. And we were fully on board with the stone idea. We looked at some previous work he'd done, and it looks, it looks better than we could have ever expected. And and now we got another project planned with the same.
Yeah. So we're gonna do another fireplace for them in the basement. So, so another reason why this stone was so awesome for this fireplace is because you got to keep in mind Moffat's. It's
It's not like totally rural, like where you're in the middle of the sticks, but it is a small little community in the country. So if you do look out any of these windows, you do see a lot of trees and natural beauty. So bringing these natural stone into the house just brings the outside in. And I love saying that because that's what you want, right? You don't, like I've always said, actually even in the city too, you can always mix and match, bringing some rustic into modern. This house, you know, I could show you different parts of the house, which we didn't do, so that's not fair to the other contractors. But you can see that a little bit of, you know, more modernish, traditional look with a nice stone like this comes together nicely. So, anyway, so Evan.
Thank you very much, Steve.
Thank you so much, my friend. And then obviously we're going to be back to do the basement fireplace. So that's great. So, anyways, guys, thank you for watching for another episode of Vitv. If you enjoyed this program, guys, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll see you next time. Talk to you later.